p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near 47 miles north of Thunderstorm, moving west at 25 miles per hour.
Now it works.
60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact.
I don't know why this weather radio is going on.
And trees. Locations include Guntersville, Redstone Arsenal, Grant, Morgan City, Union Grove, Eddy, Lacey,
Severe thunderstorm.
Columbus City, and Lake Guntersville.
Why are you still not going
For
on?
your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Madison, Alabama. Skies were sunny.
Oh, shut up.